Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lighten your teeth in Canva. Canva is a really powerful site where you can design, edit your images, graphics, visuals, and even videos. It's very easy to use, and this process just takes a few simple steps. First, make sure you've added your image to the page. After that, click on the image and go to Edit. Here you'll find the tool. Just click to see all options. Here is the Magic Grab option, which is a Pro feature. You can only lighten your teeth or make similar edits with the Pro version. So go to Magic Grab and then choose the brush. After that, simply select the teeth area. Just select it all. Then click Grab and wait a few seconds. Now, go back to the Edit and then to Adjust. From there, go to Temperature, and you should decrease the temperature. I'll set it to a lower value because too high doesn't look natural. Then go to White, and you can lighten the teeth this way. If it's still not working as you want, repeat the process. Go to Grab, Magic Grab, and then try again. This way you can lighten your teeth in just a few minutes. That's a quick tutorial. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will bring more helpful videos for you in the future. I'll see you in the next video.